Hello, I'm Percy Cannon, business consultant, professional coach, and author of the book, The Business Apostolate, Insights to Define and Achieve Your Mission in Life. Every month in this video series, I provide insights and suggestions to help you succeed across the different roles in your life. This month, I want to start by asking you a question. Do you want to make a difference in 2016? If you don't, let me ask you to reconsider your decision. As the Irish playwright George Bernard Shaw once said, life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. If you do want to make a difference in 2016, let me invite you to follow these two steps. The first one is to review your performance in 2015. If you haven't done so yet, let me suggest that you review the newsletter and blog articles that I published during November. You can draw from there some conclusions as to what you would like to improve in 2016, and also what are the strengths that you want to leverage in 2016. The second step is to review the newsletter and blog articles that I will be publishing during this month. In there, I will suggest how you can define or update your personal mission statement, your life roles, and how to go about setting goals for 2016. Count on me to guide you in this process. You can use the comments section in this page to ask questions or post comments. You can also contact me at percy@cannon.consulting to discuss your needs. Until then, this is Percy Cannon wishing you success across all aspects of your life.